Selling graphics. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to design 6x4 banner design. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to cancel this. So alright, so you go to image size, then 4 by something. So I'm going this is the calculator. Alright, so I'm going to copy this 6 times 152. Alright, so copy this here, then four. So 608. Right. So I paste it here. There's no 20. So this our design is going to be. Alright. So we are going to change the color to color white. Then I'm going to import the image. So you come over to this place, then you click on image, then we go to our Pinterest to look for the right something we want to use. Then right, we are getting there. All right, so you head over to this, then you just know how you want to do it. All right, then we create a shape. So just have to know how we want to do it. So go to gradient. So I make this one blank like this. This is the color. So it's the color code FA4Y. So you copy the color code. Copy the color code here. FA1 something. Let me click one. So you now put that one back. So that is the color code. Alright, so that is it. Alright, so that is this. So we are now going to create a shape. So the radius we'll be giving it is 42. Yeah, 42 radius. So we are now going to increase it. Alright, then bring it here, then we photocopy again. Give it a different color, this color. So this is the color code FFC2OB. Yeah, that is the color code. Alright, so I'm still going to recopy this. So this one is going to be color blue. Yeah, this is the color code A1. Okay, that. So this one is going to be color white, while the one at the back will be color this one. Are you getting? Alright. So So sorry, goes back. Yeah, so we are now going to create a shape. So let me lock all this. Lock this. All right. This shape, I think it has to come down a little. Okay. Let me unlock. Let's make it 13. So that it can contain the space and it's 13. Alright, so it's going to be like this. So I'm going to arrange it. Let's start typing the words. Alright, cancel this. Boni car wash. Copy. So I'm going to use Montserrat boat. Montserrat black. Alright. Car wash. So it's going to be Montserrat boat. Montserrat boat. So it's going to be service. So I'm going to create a shape right now. Alright, it's raining here, so that is why you are hearing a background noise. So I have to create this tutorial because I have a lot of work to do. So whether there's rain or no rain, I have to create this tutorial. So our service. So after that, then we copy the text again, then we give it color white. Alright, then start copying car cleaning, inner engine, so car cleaning. So I don't want to write it, I want it to be more readable. So reduce the size, car cleaning 19, copied, same thing again, indoor, car body, car engine cleaning. So we are now going to write something here. We give neat appearance. We give car spotless as first spectacular. So and neat appearance. So this one we are going to copy, contact us, so it's going to be color black. Yeah, we are bringing life to the design right now. We offer best services. In case you want to design and print, modeling graphic offer best services. So you can get to contact us. We give you quality and designs. Our design is very so I'm going to give this one Montserrat black so that it will be more bold. Alright, so let me increase more. Yeah, so this contact us reduce a little bit. Yeah, that is good. So if you have not subscribed to Modeling Graphics, kindly subscribe. Thank you. We meet in the next tutorial.